Ricky, so looking at your website, it looks pretty nice. One thing I noticed is you only have 424 words of content on there. The more content you have, the better. Google loves content. That's kind of king when it comes to Google. Gives you more opportunity for keywords, as well as it helps your ranking. The next thing would be images. Let's see what this is saved as. So you'd want this to be saved as a keyword. All your images, you want them to be saved as keywords. Uh, uh, Air conditioning repair, Jacksonville, AC repairs, Jacksonville, or whatever keyword you're going for. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You want them saved as different keywords on every image. It's a missed opportunity if you don't. A lot of people miss it. So I typed in HVAC Jacksonville. First, there's these ads right here. You have to be verified by Google to get these, but they're supposed to be a little less spammy. And then you got the normal ads here. And then you've got the GMB. And then you got the organic ranking. Grabbing this guy. It looks like this guy's pretty king. He's got #1 organic and #1 for the GMB with a ton of reviews. But let's see what he looks like. This is his website. He doesn't have too much content on his home page. Only 359 words. So you could have 1,000 on your home page and or more. The more you have, the better. But let's see what this guy's images are saved as, because he probably doesn't do it right, because a lot of people don't. But maybe he does. Nope, he does not do it right. A lot of people miss that. So you just got an advantage there by having your keywords saved right. I mean, as you have your images saved with keywords, where he doesn't. It's not my bad. Plugging into Ahrefs, a cool tool I like to use. You have 11 UR, 2.6 DR, 124 backlinks, 346 keywords, and you got 27 people coming to your website a month, and you got 24 referring domains. Let's see what your keywords are real fast. So Waves air conditioners. You get 6 people a month for that. You position #8. Airwaves heating and air. You get 3.8 a month. You position 2. And that's kind of where you're getting your views, your traffic from. But let's plug in this guy. So he's got 36 UR, 33 DR. So those are really good. He's got 1,490 backlinks, 137 referring domains, 1.8K keywords, and he gets 1.1K traffic a month. He also does ads. Let's see what his ads are, just for the fun of it. He's not really location specific. He's kind of going nationwide there, so I don't think his ad campaign's set up that well. Maybe it is. Maybe he's just targeting the area, but I would change his ads. But that's just me. Anyways, let's go check out. I just got sidetracked sometimes. Let's go check out this guy's backlinks. Not all backlinks are created the same. Just because the guy has a lot doesn't mean they're all good. You want to go after the high DR, high UR. Obviously, there's a lot of his that are good, but you don't want to get the spammy ones that are single digits. You also want to make sure they're relevant to industry. You don't want to get ones that are like fast food or something else looking back to you. Relevant ones are going to give you a ton of strength, where those ones don't really give you anything. But we can come in here and see what this guy's backlinks are, how he got them, and try to get them yourself. Let's see. This looks like he's got a sponsor on here somewhere, I'm betting. Our sponsor is Snyder right there. So he paid them. He contacted them. He had to contact us. Asked how can I be a sponsor, and you got a backlink from that. So we could come in here and ask them how much it costs to sponsor them and get a backlink to your website, because that's a really nice one right there. It is no follow, so there is that. You can see how much it would cost to get one that is a do follow. Here's a news article, it looks like. Where did he get this? I'm gonna try to find. What was his name again? It was open. I don't know why I can't. The search thing don't work. Anyways, he's in here. He's obviously got one of these links. I could keep going down trying to find him. But anyways, yeah, you could ask them how to get one too. They might be as simple as saying that they're open. Contact them, be like, yeah, I'm open, and you can get that. Or you might have to spend some money. I'm not sure. Then you can go in here and find all these other ones and try to get them as well. And then you can go at other competitors and grab theirs. This guy obviously is the top dog there. So, you'd go after him and then go check out other cities as well and go after the top dogs there and get more backlinks than this guy. Backlinks you can get are blogs, blog commenting, guest posts, sponsors, news articles, citations, directories. There's a whole bunch of them out there. And it just, it takes time to get them as well as cost money to get them as well. But let's go check out this guy's keywords. So I'm gonna exclude his company name because obviously he's the top dog. He's gonna get a lot of people that search him. 400 people a month search him specifically. So let's get rid of him and see what keywords he's ranking for. So air conditioning, Jacksonville, Florida, 100 volume, 45 KD. So these position one, he gets 38 traffic, and then people are spending $19 a click versus these people are spending $25 a click by not having that fell at the end, where these guys only spend 19 a click. Both these are high KD. All these are high KD. The higher the KD, the harder it is to rank for, and these ones are pretty hard. So you might not want to put these on your website because it's going to cost quite a bit of money to rank for these. You have to go get a lot of backlinks. One thing, if you're doing marketing or Google Ads, air conditioning companies, Jacksonville, Florida, 250 people search that volume, and people are spending $11 a click versus $25 for less people seeing it. So obviously this saves you $14 a click. And this one's $8 a click right here, and that's installation. That's a little bit more buyer intent than just the companies. But yeah, let's try to find you some good keywords, at least a couple. AC installation, Jacksonville, Florida, 50 volume, 13 KD. People are spending $30 a click there, but 13 KD. So that's it's gonna take you a little bit of time, but way better than the 46, 45, 50, and those ones. Let's see if there's some other ones out there. Let's check out this page. Jacksonville Heating and Air right there, 100 volume, 10 KD. So that one's, I would definitely go for that one. Another thing to see, these ones, all these ones, if you're going for Google Ads, these you could spend $1 a click on these because no one right now is advertising these. And even though it's only 20 people a month, you get, let's say you get 5 of them a month clicking on your site from each of these keywords, 10 of them. That adds up, and it doesn't cost near as much as you get 25 clicks for the price of 1 click on a different keyword, if that makes sense. Or you could do it for 60 cents or 50 cents. It's there's a lot of them there. I'm gonna go to 4 just to see. We go through here. AC Systems, Jacksonville, 30 and 2. So there'd be one right there. And this is the typo, but if you wanted to add that to your website, 20 and 1. Jacksonville Heating Contractors, 50 and 2. So if you want to do some heating furnace type stuff, there you go. There's one right there. AC to AC Inc. But yeah, you can just come in here. Spend a lot of time looking at stuff. Sorry, I spent way too much time on that. There's just a lot of KD. Last thing I'm going to go over is the GMB. Sorry I'm making this video longer than I intended to. But yeah, if you don't have one set one up, it's free to do. You want to make sure you set it up 100%. Then you want to add as many photos as you can. The photos are the content for this thing. Obviously, these Google ads are going to play a big role. Google ads is kind of fourth, but third would be citations. Citations of directories. You want to make sure your name is the same as on the citation or directory. Your phone number is the same and your location is the same. And I can come show you. This guy only has 3 citations. That's surprising. I don't know why it says he only has 3. He's got so many reviews, though, it's going to be hard to beat. Citations, I'm just going to go grab someone else that has a bunch of citations and show you what they are. Let's go with this 30 guy. But citations are just directories, like you can get social citations too, like Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. But, Angie's List is going to give you a citation. Yelp Pages, Yelp, BBB. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for more, and you can get them. And obviously, if they only has 3, you can go get. He's got tons of reviews, but you go get 1,000 citations. Citations are worth more than reviews, and then you can start beating him on the GMB. It's citations there's a lot of free ones out there. It's pretty time consuming, but it's something you can definitely do. Anyways, I hope that helps. Sorry this is long. I didn't intend for it to go so long. I just got a little carried away and sidetracked. If you want, we can talk more and go over things. If not, thanks for watching. I would love to hear your feedback. Again, I apologize for making it so long. Hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.